Hi foodies, welcome back to Curry and Hurry series episode number 11. Today let's whip up a colorful mouth-watering Indo-Chinese style chili paneer. This dish is super easy, incredibly delicious and packed with nutrition. Let's get started. With all ingredients prepped up and ready, heat 4 tablespoons of oil in a cast iron kadai. Let's fry 300 grams of paneer in batches until it turns a beautiful light golden brown. Once done, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. I did mine in 2 batches to ensure even frying. In the same oil, let's add a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute them until golden and fragrant. Keep the flame on high throughout the cooking process for that perfect Indo-Chinese flavor. Now toss in 1 medium-sized onion cubed and saute well. For a kick of spice and contrast, let's add 1 slit green chili. You can also use red chili for a slightly different heat level. Next, throw in half a cup each of cubed green, yellow and red bell pepper. You can just use one color bell pepper alone. But I add these vibrant bell peppers not only to make the dish visually appealing, but also bring in distinct flavors and nutrients. While the veggies are cooking, quickly mix half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce and half a tablespoon of tomato sauce in a bowl. Once the bell peppers reach a crunchy consistency, add the fried paneer, and this golden fried paneer is going to add a crispy, rich and indulgent bite, perfectly balancing the bold, tangy flavors of the sauce, and pour in this flavorful sauce. Stir everything well and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now let's add adequate salt and give it a quick mix. Now add 3/4 cup of water and let it come to a boil. Meanwhile, let's prepare a cornflour slurry by mixing a teaspoon of cornflour with 1 tablespoon of water. Mix well and ensure that there are no lumps formed. Now add on the slurry to the curry and give it a good stir, not only to thicken the sauce but also to give the dish a glossy restaurant style finish. Finally, garnish with a handful of chopped spring onion greens for that extra burst of freshness. And just like that, a delicious Indo-Chinese style chili paneer is ready to serve hot. Enjoy the spicy, tangy delight with fried rice, naan or as a standalone appetizer. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and tasty delights. See you next episode of Curry and Hurry. Bye!